Examples of toxic relationships you should beware of. Ideally, in a relationship, there must be love, security, and comfort. Toxic relationship, which is often shown when partner treats and manipulates or gaslighting, playing or breadcrumbing. The following is the simplest example of a toxic relationship, which we often find in a relationship. Number 1. Feeling always controlled by your partner. Usually, toxic people will also do silent treatment in order to be able to control their partner's emotions. With silent treatment, one of the parties does not understand the meaning and is always controlled by the wishes of the partner. Sometimes, toxic relationships use motives with "because I love" reasons without involving joint decisions. Number 2. Considered wrong in everything. What is dangerous is when someone has been blamed and humiliated many times. Then that will make him have mental health disorders. He feels worthless, which in the end causes insecurity, if doing something new. Number 3. It's hard to be yourself. It's really hard for someone to be themselves if he never makes decisions freely. A person who is difficult to be himself is very worried that it will be easy to become a people pleaser. The solution: you need to realize which are your own desires and the wishes of others. Number 4. No support. In contrast to relationships that support each other, toxic relationships don't get any support. He even gives criticism that drops, so it will hurt your success. Not only that, even if it works, there will be no appreciation for you. Number 5. Often lies. When your partner has started to show an attitude of often lying to you, that's an example of a toxic relationship. You need to be aware and sensitive to this relationship in order to be able to decide whether you keep it or not. It's time for discussion. Be courageous and invite your partner to talk. Number 6. Couples like to play tug. He's suddenly nice, but doesn't give any clarity about the relationship. Will they be kept or will they be separated? And he, trying to play with your emotions by not giving one party clarity. If it's like this, you must decide firmly with full consideration. Number 7. Feeling emotionally tired. Because always controlled and played in relationships, someone will feel emotionally tired. It's natural to be emotionally tired. However, you don't forget to always tell the closest people you trust. Don't let emotional exhaustion affect your mental health. That's the definition and examples of toxic relationships you should beware of. May you always be happy and surrounded with a good environment. Thank you.